Established in 2011 by Ministry of Power as a not-for-profit society, India Smart Grid Forum is spearheading the mission to accelerate electric grid modernization and energy transition in India. It has evolved as a think tank of global repute on smart energy, electric mobility and energy transition, with 150 plus members comprising of ministries, utilities, technology providers, academia and research. ISGF has been recognized as a thought leader in the domain of energy transition. Some of the important contributions are Smart Grid Vision and Roadmap for India, issued by Ministry of Power in 2013, which laid the foundation for electric grid modernization in the country. Our white paper in 2014 and study report in 2017 suggested green number plates for electric vehicles. Energy Storage Roadmap for India, issued in 2019, paved the way for large investments in energy storage systems. Roadmap for machine-to-machine communications and rollout of IPv6 for power sector. Our presentation to Forum of Regulators in 2016 led to creation of separate electricity tariff for electric vehicle charging. Presently, 23 states have special tariffs for EV charging. Business model for smart metering as a service proposed by us in 2017 white paper is adopted by Government of India for the RDSS program. Our report 2018 argued for 20% of the parking space in new buildings to be built with EV charging points, and Town and Country Planning Organization under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs adopted in 2019. Our 2017 report suggested sale of electric 2- and 3-wheelers without batteries, and charged batteries may be rented from battery leasing agencies. ISGF has been constantly advocating for allotment of license-free spectrum to power sector and other critical infrastructure sectors for private communication networks for captive use. Government of India has approved private 5G networks in June 2022. The white paper on district cooling systems created a technical committee for adoption and implementation of district cooling systems in India under Bureau of Energy Efficiency and drafted the guidelines for DCS. The white paper on electric cooking has led to adoption of electric cooking in the Go Electric program led by Bureau of Energy Efficiency in 2021. ISGF, as a part of the capacity building mission for the sector, works with various stakeholders around the world to create knowledge sharing platforms and conducts specialized training programs since 2013. More than 35,000 professionals have participated in ISGF's various programs in the past 10 years. In recognition of ISGF's pioneering role, the Isgf'S Awards of Excellence by International Smart Grid Action Network for Workforce Development for Inclusive Energy Transition was awarded to ISGF in 2022. ISGF created very popular knowledge dissemination platforms. The India Smart Grid Knowledge Portal, launched in January 2013, is one of the most popular websites with several thousand unique visitors every month. ISGF's monthly Smart Grid Bulletin, launched in January 2014, has over 90,000 subscribers from 110 plus countries. Our flagship event, the India Smart Utility Week, is considered as one of the top 5 international conferences and exhibitions on smart grids and smart cities. The event is attended by thousands of participants. from 60 plus countries. Its thematic sessions, special plenaries, bilateral workshops, masterclasses bring out new ideas and foster innovations. Next edition of ISUW will be held in New Delhi from 1st March to 4th March 2023. The Distribution Utility Meet is a unified voice of the DISCOM community to influence policymakers and regulators for grid modernization. It is conducted since 2017 and in 2022, it is held on 17th and 18th November 2022 in Bhubaneswar. Since 2015, ISGF have been conducting bilateral workshops with European Commission, USA, Sweden, Germany, France, which set the agenda for energy cooperation between India and these nations. ISGF has been taking delegations of senior officials from ministries, utilities and regulatory commissions to international conferences and exhibitions, which has been given valuable exposure to new ideas and emerging technologies relevant for the power sector in India. Some of our international partners. Our new focus area centers on Grid Integrated Vehicles, GIV, in partnership with University of Delaware, USA. Wireless Transmission of Electricity, in partnership with MBROD. Interconnection of regional grids in Asia. New architecture for the 21st century electric grid. Grid interactive buildings. Peer-to-peer trading of green electricity on blockchain platform. 3 demonstration projects executed in India successfully. ISGF, with its contribution, has been a torchbearer of the power sector in India and overseas.